In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a from a new Outlook. This is perfect if you manage multiple mailboxes, work with a shared inbox, or need to send mail as a different address. We'll walk through enabling the from field and choosing exactly which address your message is sent from, all within the new Outlook experience. Start by opening Outlook. Once you're in your mailbox, begin composing a message by selecting New. This opens the standard compose window. If you see multiple options for what to create, make sure you choose mail so you're starting an email and not a calendar item or anything else. With the compose window open, look along the top ribbon and switch to the options tab. This tab holds message level settings that aren't always visible by default. In options, select show from. The moment you do, Outlook reveals a from line above the to field in your draft. This toggle is handy because once you turn it on in a session, the from field typically remains visible for future new messages, so you don't have to repeat this step each time. Now, above the to line, click the from button. You'll see a list of available sending identities. These could include your primary account, any connected accounts, and shared or delegated mailboxes you've been granted access to. Choose the account you want to send from. Outlook will set that address on this message, and you can proceed to add recipients, a subject, and your content as usual. If you don't see the address you need, but you are authorized to use it, open the From dropdown again and select Other Email Address. This option lets you type an address that isn't already listed. Keep in mind, this only works when your organization or mailbox owner has granted you send as or send on behalf permissions. As you type, Outlook will try to resolve the address. If it doesn't recognize it, double check the spelling or confirm that the mailbox is shared with you and that the necessary permissions are in place. A few quick tips as you work. If the show from button seems missing, ensure you're on the options tab in the compose window, not the main inbox view. If the from choice doesn't stick between messages, simply click show from again. It's a per compose setting in many environments. And if you receive an error after selecting another address, that almost always points to a permissions issue that your admin or mailbox owner can adjust. That's it. Open Outlook, start a new mail, show the from field, pick the right address, and when authorized, use other email address to specify one that isn't listed.